Does data-driven decision-making truly hold the reins in the current business development landscape? The answer is a resounding yes. Today we'll explore the tools that can elevate your data-driven decision-making prowess. Firstly, let's talk about business intelligence or BI platforms such as Power BI, Tableau, and Looker. These platforms grant you access to deep insights into customer behavior and market trends. Power BI, a Microsoft creation, is a potent business analytics tool that allows users to visualize and share their data findings. It brings a variety of data connectivity options, interactive dashboards, and robust analytics capabilities to your fingertips. On the other hand, Tableau is a leading platform in data visualization and analytics. Known for its user-friendly interface and advanced visualizations, Tableau empowers users to create interactive dashboards and perform ad hoc analysis. Then there's Looker, a cloud-based BI platform that provides data exploration, visualization, and collaboration capabilities. Its semantic modeling layer lets users define business metrics and KPIs, ensuring consistency and accuracy in reporting. Next up are customer relationship management or CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM. These systems are vital for managing customer interactions and streamlining sales processes. Salesforce, a widely used CRM platform, offers a comprehensive suite of sales, marketing, and service tools. It enables organizations to manage customer relationships, track sales activities, and automate workflows. HubSpot, on the other hand, offers a suite of inbound marketing and sales software. Its CRM system is renowned for its ease of use, customization options, and seamless integration with other HubSpot products. Zoho CRM, a cloud-based CRM platform designed for small and medium-sized businesses, offers features such as lead management, pipeline tracking, and social CRM, which help organizations streamline their sales processes and improve customer engagement. Lastly, let's shine a light on marketing automation tools like Marketo Engage, Pardot, and MailChimp. These tools automate repetitive marketing tasks, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives. Marketo Engage is a comprehensive marketing automation platform that enables organizations to create, automate, and measure marketing campaigns across multiple channels. Pardot, a B2B marketing automation platform offered by Salesforce, allows marketers to create targeted campaigns, track prospect engagement, and generate high-quality leads. MailChimp, a popular email marketing platform, offers a range of automation features including email campaigns, audience segmentation, and A/B testing. It's known for its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and robust reporting capabilities. To sum up, the importance of data-driven decision-making in modern business development cannot be overstated. With the right tools like BI platforms, CRM systems, and marketing automation tools, businesses can harness the power of data to make informed decisions, streamline processes, and drive growth. Remember, the key to successful business development lies in understanding your data and leveraging it to your advantage.